playing a Aura game with this. A boom. Oh, we're going even faster than before.
Oh.
I know we can get to number 1. Claim it. But I can win this. I can win this. Oh. Oh my god. I think I'm getting faster. Oh, we're already at 6:58.
Oh my gosh. This is insane.
That's actually insane. Star Pack is only 6 Robux.
I see this.
Oh my god. We're now at number 5. Ooh. So, this is... I'm going to leave the race. So now,
Oh my
I can buy this training thing. Yo, it's going! It gives me 5 power every second.
Yeah, I cannot believe it.
I don't know about this
And there's a
one.
wheel. There's a wheel.
Wait, there's a wheel?
Look.
Wait, there is a wheel.
But how do you spin? Oh.
Okay, you got 1 times 2 wind potion.
Oh, you got 5 more power. Okay, that only
One
costs
spin is not only 9 Robux.
I don't know.
Hollow Knight Egg is only 19 Robux.
I don't know why it's only 19 Robux.
Okay, I'm gonna start the race now.
Okay, start the race.
Wait, let's see how fast I am.
Let's see.
Okay, even faster than before. I think I'm getting faster.
As you walk, you get. I think you're getting faster.
Yes, I am. Oh, wait, yeah, I am getting faster. Okay, I'm already at 800 speed.
Yeah, but look how many studs you have.
I have over 5,000 studs. I think we can make it to 10,000.
I don't know if you can make it to 10,000 studs.
But I have a gift.
Oh,
I have now 94 wins.
that game is. I think I like that game.
But soon we're gonna both play it.
Yeah. And see if you. And see.
I can get a different
See if I get.
one. I can get a different boat. I can buy this one for just 50 wins. What? Why is it not giving me it?
Stick around, guys. We're gonna get.
Oh, we already made it to 10,000.
We're gonna get even faster to reach the end.
Yep, we are.
Okay, so what's this? I don't know. Okay.
Okay, let me equip that.
You can equip it. Now, okay.
Oh, the race ended. Okay,
The
I'm
race
gonna get
ended.
more power.
The race ended. Okay, get
I
more.
need 2,000 power for this one. Let's go in. But
Okay.
now I gained 14 power every second. Let's see. This mouse, it says it's epic. But I don't see it anywhere.
You will see a pet.
But at least I gained 14 power every second. Oh, okay. I'm already at 1,000 power.
Okay, you already have 1,000 power. That's insane.
Okay, let's see how fast I am now.
Okay.
Wait, why am I so slow? Alright. Wait, it says right here is the speed limit. Down here is the power limit.
Yeah, I think how long is the race gonna end?
Well, the race ends at 100 at the 3rd layer.
Look at this guy. He's first place.
I cannot believe that. But I can claim 100 more wins.
Let's go. Now you have so many wins.
Yeah, that's right, Jordan. But I'm gonna get to 2,000 power really fast. Oh, we already made it to 10,000 studs.
Okay.
There's so many are cheap. Right, 10 studs. Okay, let's see. Can we make it? I think we can do it, though. I have 1.16,000 power. I need to power myself. Okay, race is about to end, so I need some more power. Okay, it's going good.
Okay. You need even better kayak.
Yeah, that's correct.
But what's this? Well, you can buy kayaks.
That's right.
You already have a new one.
Oh, okay. Wait, teleporting is only 45 Robux.
That's only 45 Robux. That's good. But you cannot buy that.
I'm not buying it.
Does that let you teleport to the end?
This one's 50 wins. This one's summer event. This one's 100,000 wins.
Yeah, there's one brain rot in this game. There's one brain rot.
What can I afford? This one's only 50 wins.
Yeah.
What? Why didn't it let me claim it? Wait, equip. I can equip it.
Okay, now I have one.
I now have one. But I think it will gain me power even faster.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, guys. So,
Look at this.
so far we're at 7,000 already. So I'm going to go in the treadmill. This is a ward. That's a ward treadmill.
Yeah, that looks like a warp treadmill.
But I'm getting 15 power every second. Are you serious?
Dude, this is insane.
This game is so cool.
I like this game. This
Okay.
is awesome.
Oh, we're already at 2,000 power.
Okay, so you're already there. Let's see how
Look how fast I am now, but I'm kind of slow. Okay, faster.
if as you get stuck, you get even faster.
Okay, I think that must be correct.
Yeah, that's correct.
But almost at the maximum. Wait, the race ended. Well, let's go to the treadmill again. Okay, let me go here.
You got.
Oh, it gives me 29 power a second.
I think you're just there for a very long time to reach the end. So
I don't want to teleport. Okay, let's go for it. I'm so slow. I think I'm getting faster with these.
you're getting even faster.
What is this second place guy?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Wow! Oh my god, how did that guy get first place?
How did this worst guy get first place now?
That's not even the worst guy.
Well, someone was in first place, but this guy is. Why is this guy so good now?
He's so good at that.
Yep, so good. Race is almost ending, okay. It's almost ending, guys.
Oh, it's almost
I got 1,000 more power. It's ending. I think I'm getting studs even faster.
You're not even gonna get there.
Alright, 3,000 studs.
You need the race.
Next one is 12,000.
Look at that
get to 12,000.
Get to get first place. You really have to get first place so you can beat those guys.
I'm gonna beat these guys.
Or you can get that for free. You can get that for free.
The race actually ended.
The race will start.
It started now. Okay, so how far can I go with this?
I think the race is about to end.
It ends every 2 minutes. Whoa, that guy's so fast. I want to be like that.
Oh god, that guy's not in third place. Oh my god, that guy was not in third place. This guy's passing so many people.
Or I think I'm about to reach 4,000 power, though. I gained 2,000 power. Okay.
This is awesome.
I got even more wins, so
But isn't
let's buy and
the
let's do something good here.
but why the lead by red?
If you click on the lead button, you will reset.
You reset.
I got 17 wins on this one. Okay.
You reset. It'll take so long to get there.
It will take so long to get to the third layer. I made it past 20,000. Oh, I'm at 300.
Dude, this is insane. I like
I
it.
got one spin, so I got one luck potion.
Okay.
So, let's see what I can buy.
I hope you get
One is
first
8,000. I can get a different thing like this. I unlock the yellow javelin.
Whoa, that would come quite fast.
End this race now.
Oh my.
Let's see how fast we go on this power. Let's see. Wait, still 3 power.
You can do auto train.
Wait, I can do auto train? Look, I can't.
You can click on it.
I can't even click. I made it to 5,000 power.
You can auto race. You can auto race.
Wait, auto race definitely worked.
Yeah, it lets you go by yourself.
Let me go myself.
Yeah. It's so cool.
So cool, bro.
I think
Okay.
this is a better ways.
These are the best ways to go really fast.
Okay, you already going.
I'm turning off auto race.
Okay.
I can even jump.
The
That
auto,
was so cool.
the auto
Let's read
race
that.
is so
No, I'm not buying it.
the auto race is so satisfying.
Yeah, it is satisfying.
It lets you go by himself.
Let's race. It lets you race by yourself.
Yeah. I like auto race.
Yeah, me too, Jordan. This is so.
Okay. So awesome.
So awesome.
Okay.
Oh, we're almost there.
Okay, we're almost there. Yes. 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 Yes.
34,000. I think I might do that.
You just left the game.
Okay, so I'm gonna get more studs as fast.
I don't know. Look at that. Can you afford another kayak?
Let's see. No, I can't. I can't afford any of them. But I can only afford one. I can't even afford any now. 31 power.
Oh my god.
Are you kidding me?
You can train again.
We train again.
Look how much you're going. This must be the best
Wait,
thing.
rebirth?
Don't rebirth.
I'm not rebirthing. Okay, the race will start.
Yeah, if you rebirth, you will. I think if you rebirth, it will put away all your speed.
I think so.
Don't rebirth.
I'm never rebirthing. Wait, let's claim. I got a new egg.
No
I
way.
got Squid Square, and it's rare.
It's rare.
I can claim one more gift.
Yeah. Dude, how much?
Okay, let me equip these pets.
Okay.
I already equipped them.
Yo, put them all up.
I equipped them all up. This is so cool. Well, guys, I couldn't go to the next treadmill, so you should click one of those games that's on your screen today and play now. Bye.
See